Good morning. I hope you're doing great and wish you a beautiful and lovely day today. Something a lot of people do not pay attention to. It is the attention to details. In English, we say the secret is in the details. Why am I focusing on details? Everybody has resolutions for the beginning of the year, middle of the year, end of the year. But some of these resolutions get postponed or canceled due to the person's commitment and his undisciplined manner or behavior to deal with things and tasks at hand. So there is a method, we call it in English, implementation intention. What is implementation intention? Implementation intention is the ability to specify the kind of goals and targets that you have or your aims, and then specifically focus on these intentions if you specify when and how. So the implementation of intention is to specify, for example, today I'm going to read a book. That's a very general intention to be achieved. You have to specify, I will read chapter 1 of this book at 5 a.m. That's the implementation intention. You have to execute this kind of resolution exactly at 5 a.m. This is going to gradually help you develop a mechanism to cope with the duties that you have and the commitments that you have, and to do the bucket list that you have in a manner that is achievable and measurable. Generally speaking, we have to specify our goals in terms of their measurability and their scalability. So we have to scale the goals. We have to operationalize them, as we say in English, statistically speaking. In that manner, you're going to achieve so much potential of your skills if you perform the what's so-called implementation intention. That's just the tip of today. I hope it's useful to you. I try to speak a little bit slower than normal in order to be able to help you understand English and write down the definitions and also the words that are not familiar to you, so you can become better when you are using them next time. Have a lovely, wonderful, and positive and optimistic day today.